Alright, so we got a Toyota Crown here. I'm going to show you how to pull out the cabin filter. Glove box. Come over to the glove box. You're going to pull out this tray. Just pull it down. And off to the side, it just unclips. This compartment here is where the cabin filter's hiding it. Push this clip up, both sides. Pull the tray off, or the door off. Sorry. We have another door here. And these clips here on this side, you're going to squeeze together. Okay. And you can pull the door off. It's going to come off like this. This side uses these tabs that slide in like this. This is kind of hard to record because it's pretty tight in here. And then pull out the cabin filter and retainer. So your OEM filter is this heavy duty charcoal one. This one's pretty dirty, it needs to be replaced. So I'm going to recommend my customer replace this. We haven't ordered it yet, so I don't have a new one. But you're going to just pull it out of the retainer just like this. This thing's pretty heavy. It's pretty dirty actually. But if you notate that your filters will have ups, arrows on them, make sure this is the airflow. Make sure you put it in the correct way. You're going to reuse the retainer here. Now, when you stick these retainers in, these Toyotas, you need to make sure that they're in all the way. If they don't go in all the way, they won't go up. They need to go up. There's a gap here, okay? Because these doors have these little feet on here. You will have a hard time putting them back in. You don't get the retainer all the way in there. But you're going to put the left side in first. Clip it in like that, and just push. Okay? This door here. Slide it up on the top first. There's some little slots. If I can see it. Clip that back in. Little baby tray here goes back in. Okay. Just gonna put the top in and slide it in there. Snap, snap. Good to go. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it. Hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another video.